Welcome to Beyond Buzz. Ever have your mind blown by something you just can't explain? That was me this morning. I saw a headline, "Mysterious light beam from a comet aimed at Earth." Not a sci-fi plot, this is real, happening right now. A comet from another star system just did something no one's ever seen. It's a reminder of how little we know about the universe. While we're busy with daily life trillions of miles away, a cosmic traveler sends a pulse of light our way. This isn't just another space rock. It's an interstellar visitor, and it's baffling astronomers. A focused beam of light, not a tail or a gas outburst. What does that even mean? Of all directions in space, it points right at us. This is why I love space mysteries. They force us to think bigger. We're talking about an object that's seen parts of the galaxy we'll never reach. Now it's in our backyard, putting on a show. The scientific community is buzzing. This isn't just another data point, it's an event. It could redefine our understanding of comets, or maybe something even bigger. The universe just threw us a curveball, and honestly, I'm here for it. Wow. So, what is this thing? It's called 3I Atlas. The I stands for interstellar. That means it's not from our solar system. It's a true alien object, just passing through. We've only confirmed a handful of these interstellar visitors, so everyone is a huge deal. They're like time capsules from another part of the galaxy. Imagine a rock and ice chunk formed around a distant star, drifting for eons before crossing paths with us. The Atlas Sky Survey spotted it, and scientists quickly realized its orbit was all wrong. Too fast, weird angle. That's how they knew it was an outsider. These objects are valuable because they're made of raw materials from another solar system. Studying them tells us if other star systems are built like ours. Before 3I Atlas and Oumuamua, we only had starlight to study. Now we have the real thing. It's a game changer for astronomy. Scientists were tracking its chemistry, speed, and rotation. Then, just as they thought they understood it, it sent out a beam of light. Comets are supposed to have fuzzy comas and tails, not act like cosmic lighthouses. This interstellar wanderer just broke all the rules. It's already a superstar for showing up. Now, it's a full-blown mystery, and everyone wants answers. Here's what actually happened. Observatories worldwide saw a short, intense burst of light, a concentrated column-like beam from the comet's nucleus. For about 90 seconds, this beam was visible to powerful telescopes, pointed almost perfectly at Earth. The odds of that alignment? Astronomical. Comets do have outbursts, but those are usually messy, wide plumes, not clean, focused beams. This was different. The light was highly collimated, almost like a laser. It had a unique spectral signature scientists are still analyzing. Multiple observatories, including Hubble, confirmed it, so it wasn't a glitch. They all saw the same thing, a narrow, powerful beam appearing and vanishing in moments. The event wasn't visible to the naked eye, only our best telescopes caught it. But the implications are huge. In 90 seconds, 3I Atlas went from curiosity to one of the biggest astronomical puzzles of the century. What could cause a simple chunk of ice and rock to generate such a precise beam? That's the billion-dollar question. And right now, nobody has the answer, but everyone's looking. Why is this such a big deal? Because it challenges everything we thought we knew about comets. For centuries, comets were predictable, frozen relics that heat up, release gas, form tails, and move on. This event throws a wrench in that model. Scientists are scrambling to rule out simple explanations. A weird gas jet, sunlight off a flat surface. The data doesn't fit. Anomalies like this are what lead to breakthroughs. If this is a natural phenomenon, it could mean comets and other star systems are fundamentally different, or that we've missed something in our own. It's a genuine moment of discovery, and the race is on to explain it. To get a handle on this, I called Dr. Eris Thorne, a comet expert. He told me, absolutely not. Nothing like this has ever been recorded. One theory, a cryovolcano, a pocket of pressurized gas escaping through a narrow vent, creating a focused jet. If the gas crystallized into reflective ice, it could catch sunlight and look like a beam. Another idea, a cosmic mirror, a large flat sheet of clean ice reflecting sunlight perfectly for a brief moment. Both are long shots but physically possible. Dr. Thorne's team is modeling both scenarios to see if they match the data, but even he admits these explanations are a stretch. We're pushing the boundaries of our models, he said. The beauty of this event is that it forces us to think outside the box. Whatever the answer, we'll learn something profound about interstellar visitors, That's what science is about, humility and excitement in the face of the unknown. The universe is testing our creativity, and that's how breakthroughs happen. Okay, so scientists are looking at cryovolcanoes and ice mirrors, but you know where everyone's mind goes. Could this be a signal? Technology? The ultimate what if? We've sent signals into space for decades. What if something's finally saying hello back? What if 3I, Atlas, isn't a comet, but a probe? An automated drone disguised as a rock scanning planets as it passes. Maybe the beam wasn't a message for us, but a survey, analyzing our atmosphere or checking for technology. An advanced civilization might use focused light to gather data, not radio waves. The beam could be a quick ping, a snapshot before moving on. It's a wild thought, but also exciting. The idea that we might have been observed by alien intelligence is mind-bending. Or maybe it's a warning, a beacon, or something else entirely. But we have to stay grounded. As fascinating as aliens are, we need evidence. Scientists have plausible, if exotic, natural explanations. Still, the thought lingers. What if this time, it's different? The universe keeps us guessing. Let's get rational. What argues this being an alien signal? Occam's razor. The simplest explanation is usually right. Is it more likely a rare natural process, or a disguised alien probe sending a beam at us? The beam was a 90-second burst of reflected sunlight. No pattern, no encoded message, just a flash. An intelligent signal would probably be unmistakably artificial, with patterns or math. Why disguise a probe as a comet? An advanced civilization wouldn't need to hide. The comet probe idea is fun for sci-fi, but real aliens might not think like us. There's zero evidence for the alien hypothesis, just a weird event we don't understand yet. Unexplained doesn't mean alien. Science has always found natural explanations for the unknown. This is almost certainly another step in that process. So, where does this leave us? We have a genuine cosmic mystery. A visitor from another star system did something strange, challenging our assumptions and sparking global investigation. I checked back with Dr. Thorne. Should we worry? No, he said. There's absolutely no danger. It was just photons, light reflecting off ice or gas trillions of miles away. The real significance is the opportunity to learn. The universe handed us a new puzzle. The data from those 90 seconds will fuel research for years. This is what science is about. The joyful pursuit of answers. 3I Atlas and its mysterious beam remind us how vast and incredible the universe is. Whether it was a cryovolcano, an ice mirror, or something we haven't dreamed of, it expands our sense of what's possible. It's a lesson in humility and wonder. Keep looking up. Keep asking questions. The universe isn't obligated to make sense, but with science, we can start to understand its secrets. For a curious species like ours, that's the greatest gift of all.